Yay, we made it to Friday. Woohoo! Another week down, another week closer to school being over. All right, Friday, what do we need to do? Make sure you sign into Focus. I'm looking to see who's signing in every day. You're signing in every day, you will get your name entered into a gift card drawing. If you look on Focus, there's a winner already, not from our class, but somebody from the school. All right, for iReady Reading, you need to finish anything you have not finished. You should be on your teacher assigned lesson, author's point of view, read to write. That's all you got left in reading. Math, you should have My Path complete one more lesson, a total of 2 lessons this week. Easy extra credit if you get those 2 lessons done. STEM scopes, you have reading B or Watch It to finish. Most of us finished Watch It yesterday, so you have reading B to do today. Go back and see if you have anything left in science to do. Social Studies Weekly, we have week 28 test. That will be on your Studies Weekly app. Then if we were in school, we would go to media for our activity today. But if you go to Cambridge Online on your Launchpad under Miss Wagner's page, she has all kinds of fun stuff there for you to do. Coding, reading online books, fun stuff like that. Socially Emotional, have you watched the movie and have you completed the little home activity and turned it in on Google Classroom? 5 extra points for doing that. All right. Oh, can I get it? Okay. Big shout outs. Look at all these names over here on the left. Shout outs. 100% attendance so far. We have Jeremy, Zahara, Reggie, Luis, Felix, Ariana, Kevin, Shavi, Rebecca, Kiana, Caden, and Sir Quentin. Awesome. Checking in every day on Focus. Oops. All right, here we are. Completed all their work. So far, I have Caden, Luis, Sir Quentin, and Kevin that have completed all their work up to Thursday night. Completed working on their Nearpods, checking in on there, logging in, seeing what they need to do for the day. So far, I have Caden, Iona, Luis, and Jeremy all week have checked in on Nearpods. Now, it's not too late to get your name added to this. 100% attendance is because if you didn't check in a day, I can't just poof and pretend that's not there. So if you don't get it this week, then let's try for next week. Also, if your name is up here, then make sure you check in today on Focus so I don't have to take your name off. Completed all work. I only have 4 names, which is not bad because it just means some of you maybe still need extra time to work. So I'm not going to really finalize this one until Monday. So you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then Monday when I look at Focus, I will see who has all their work done for the week. So I'm hoping to have a lot more names added to that list. And completed all the Nearpods. Even if your name is not up here, you can still go back. If you're missing something, go back into Nearpod and see what you're missing. But that might be a little hard. So I don't know if I'd really suggest that. That's probably not a good idea. You probably would want to go to this third one right here. Have I completed all my assignments? English, click here. It'll show you all your assignments. In Spanish, here for all of your assignments. Both have the same assignments, just different languages and how it's written. It'll show you everything that you had to do for the week, and then you can just kind of check it off as you go. All right, back up to here. Cougar of the Week. Mr. Dugan wants to know, who is our Cougar of the Week? So for next week, I have Caden and Luis. Very hard. They've checked in every day. They've done all their work. They've completed Nearpods. So far, they're in the running for Cougar of the Week. Some of you else could be over here. Jeremy, you're getting close. Are you going to finish all that work? Kevin and Sir Quentin are doing great. Their names in all areas, but Kevin and Sir Quentin have already been a Cougar of the Week, so I was hoping to choose somebody else that hasn't been. So you two keep working hard and keep checking in so you can get your name in that drawing. All right, and I hope, last time I'm telling you, interns were posted this week, so make sure you're checking that out. If you have questions, give me a call, text me, email me, and I will help you out. All right, boys and girls, have a good Friday, and I will see you back here on Monday. Have a great weekend. Love ya. Bye.